Nature Valley Lunchbox granola bars, chocolate chip. 90 calories per bar. First ingredient, whole grain rolled oats. And then holy shit, fructologosaccharides. Okay. Rice flour, chocolate chips, sugar. 4 grams of sugar per bar. Got this at Superstore, under $2 on sale. Okay. Looks like. Okay. It's softer than this, probably because it doesn't have the chocolate on the bottom, make it more firm to break off. But it's not. It's chewy, but whatever. Not hard. I've had chewier, softer products than this. Haven't had Quaker granola bars in years, I want to say. Either way, I'm going off memory, it's just like that. But you'd actually have to compare their chocolate chip versus this chocolate chip to see if it does taste exactly the same. But yeah, sure, yeah, it's not bad or anything. Would I buy it again? Sure. On sale only though.